Welcome to the Paleo Revolution. Let's uncover the diet that shaped human evolution. Humans evolved over millions of years, adapting to the foods available to them. For most of that time, we relied on hunting, gathering, and foraging for sustenance. This is the Paleo Diet. It's not a fad or a trend. It's a lifestyle rooted in our ancestral eating habits. It's a return to our roots, embracing the natural, whole foods that our bodies were designed to thrive on. The Paleo Diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods, avoiding modern processed foods that can harm our health. These are the foods our ancestors thrived on, providing the nutrients needed for optimal health and vitality. Think fruits, vegetables, meat, and nuts. These are the building blocks of the Paleo Diet. This diet can help you lose weight, improve your energy levels, and feel great overall. It's time to ditch the processed food and embrace the paleo lifestyle. Join the revolution and transform your health today. Modern food is packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial chemicals. These ingredients contribute to illness, weight gain, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Our bodies are not designed to process these modern foods. We are still biologically programmed to eat like our hunter-gatherer ancestors. The Paleo Diet removes these harmful foods. It emphasizes nutrient-dense options that support health and vitality. By adopting this diet, you can rejuvenate your body and feel your best. The Paleo Diet is straightforward. Eat like our ancestors. Focus on foods that were available to humans during the Paleolithic era, over 10,000 years ago. The idea is to consume foods that our bodies are naturally adapted to digest and thrive on. Emphasize whole, unprocessed foods. These include fresh vegetables, fruits, meats, and nuts. By avoiding processed foods, you can reduce your intake of artificial additives and preservatives, which can be harmful to your health. Here are some paleo foundational foods. These are the building blocks of a healthy paleo diet and should be included in your daily meals. Meat. Choose grass-fed and pasture-raised options whenever possible. These types of meat are higher in nutrients and healthier fats compared to conventionally raised livestock. Fish, especially salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support brain health and reduce inflammation in the body. Vegetables. Load up on leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, and other colorful veggies. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Fruits. Enjoy berries, apples, and other fruits in moderation. While fruits are nutritious, they also contain natural sugars, so it's best to consume them in balanced amounts. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great choices. They provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a perfect snack or addition to meals. A paleo diet avoids processed foods, grains, dairy, and legumes. These foods were not part of our ancestors' diet and can cause digestive issues and an inflammatory response in some people. By following the Paleo Diet, you can align your eating habits with those of early humans, potentially improving your health and well-being. Many individuals have improved their health markers with the Paleo Diet. Anecdotal and case reports include weight loss, boosted energy, and decreased inflammation. Chronic diseases have been improved, as has overall well-being, from losing those persistent pounds to feeling more vibrant and alive. The Paleo Diet has been transformative for many. It's not just about physical changes. Many have experienced improved mental clarity and emotional balance. The Paleo Diet promotes a holistic approach to health, emphasizing natural, unprocessed foods. The Paleo Diet is not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change. By adopting this way of eating, people have found a sustainable path to long-term health. But the results are worth it. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and ready to conquer the world. You can achieve incredible things with this diet. Whether it's running that extra mile, lifting heavier weights, or simply enjoying a more active lifestyle. Start your paleo journey today. You won't regret it. Embrace the change and witness the difference it can make in your life. Join the growing community of paleo enthusiasts. Share your story, inspire others, and be part of a movement that's transforming lives. Experience the transformative power of this ancient way of eating. Rediscover the joy of consuming wholesome, delicious foods that nourish your body and soul.